हेलो बच्चों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम आपके लिए सारे प्लैनेट्स के ऊपर और प्लैनेट्स ऑफ सोलर सिस्टम के ऊपर शॉर्ट नोट लेकर आए हैं। इस वीडियो में हम आपको सोलर सिस्टम के 8 प्लैनेट्स के शॉर्ट नोट देंगे, जिन्हें आप अपनी नोटबुक में लिखें और याद नहीं मतलब कि आप समझें उन्हें अच्छे से। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हमारा फर्स्ट प्लैनेट है मरकरी। Mercury is the first of the 4 terrestrial planets. This means it is a planet made mostly of rock. The planet closest to the Sun, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the other 3 planets. Next, Mercury is the smallest of the terrestrial planets. It has an iron core that accounts for about 3.4 of its diameter. Most of the rest of the planets is made up of rocky crust. Next, because it is so close to the Sun, it is very difficult to see Mercury. A NASA mission called Messenger is expected to begin orbiting the planet in 2011. It is expected that this will help us learn a great deal more about this rarely seen planet. Next, the Messenger launched on the Boeing Delta II rocket on August 3, 2004. It will reach Mercury on March 18, 2011. अब हमारा सेकंड प्लैनेट है वेन्यूस। अब हम वेन्यूस का शॉर्ट नोट कवर करेंगे। वेन्यूस, ऑफ ऑल द प्लैनेट्स, वेन्यूस इज द वन मोस्ट सिमिलर टू अर्थ. In fact, Venus is often called Earth's sister planet as well. Sister planet, as similar as it is in same ways. However, it is also very different in others. Earth and Venus are similar in size. The two planets are very close to each other as they orbit the Sun. Because of this, Venus is the most visible planet in the night sky. Both planets are relatively young, judging from the lack of craters on their surface. We now know that the environment on Venus could not support life as Earth does. Our atmosphere is a breathable mix of oxygen and other gases, but the atmosphere on Venus is mostly carbon dioxide, which is a poisonous gas. The temperature on Earth rarely goes much higher than 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 37.8 degrees Celsius, even at the equator. But the temperature on the surface of Venus can exceed 850 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट सेल्सियस में 454 डिग्री सेल्सियस. अब यहाँ पे हमारा नेक्स्ट प्लैनेट है अर्थ. अब हम पढ़ेंगे अर्थ का शॉर्ट नोट. अर्थ, द अर्थ इज़ द ओनली प्लैनेट नो वेयर लाइफ एग्जिस्ट. Almost 1.5 million species of animals and plants have been discovered so far, and many more have yet to be found. While other planets may have small amounts of ice or steam, the Earth is 2/3 part water. Earth has perfect conditions for a breathable atmosphere. अब नेक्स्ट अर्थ का ये. अर्थ इज़ द लार्जेस्ट ऑफ द terrestrial planets and the 5th largest in the solar system. It is believed to be about 4.5 billion years old, which make it very young compared to other celestial bodies. अब हमारा नेक्स्ट प्लैनेट है मार्स. अब हम मार्स के ऊपर शॉर्ट नोट देखेंगे. No planet has sparked the imaginations of humans as much as Mars. It may be the reddish color of Mars or the fact or the fact that it can often be easily seen in the night sky. That has caused people to wonder about this close neighbor of ours. Tales of Martians invading Earth have been around for well over 50 years, but is it likely that any kind of life really does exist on Mars? Scientists are not sure life as we know if it could not survive there. Even so, there is evidence that there may be water on Mars. The presence of methane, which may be given off by organisms, provides another clue. Does this all means you need to be concerned about an alien attack from Mars? Hardly. Still, as we learn more and more about the final terrestrial planets, the more mysterious and wonderful Mars becomes. Space, one of the first images taken from the Mars Pathfinder when it landed on Mars on July 4, 1997. इसी के साथ हमारा मार्स प्लैनेट का शॉर्ट नोट भी कवर हो गया. अब हम हमारा नेक्स्ट है जुपिटर प्लैनेट. द प्लैनेट जुपिटर इज द फर्स्ट ऑफ द गैस जाइंट प्लैनेट्स मेड मोस्टली ऑफ गैस. दे इंक्लूड जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस एंड नेपट्यून. Jupiter is first among the planets in terms of size and mass. Its diameter is 11 times bigger than Earth, and its mass is 2.5 times greater than all the other planets combined. The greater red spot on Jupiter is actually a ranking star. Space. This giant planet comes in first again when it comes to giving off heat. The core of Jupiter may be made of liquid rock that reaches temperature of 43,000 degrees Fahrenheit to 23,870 degrees Celsius. There are at least 63 moons of different size orbiting Jupiter. That's the most of any planet. Its largest moon is called Ganymede. It has a diameter of 3,400 miles, 5,472 किलोमीटर, larger than Mercury. अब हमारा नेक्स्ट प्लैनेट है Saturn. Most people know about the rings around Saturn because they are the brightest and most colorful. These rings are made mainly out of ice particles orbiting the planets. While the rings themselves seem big, the particles are very small, usually no more than 10 feet 3 meters wide. Saturn is the second largest planet. It is the farthest planet from the Earth that can be seen without a telescope. It appears flat at the pole because its great rotational speed make the middle of the planet blur. अब हमारा नेक्स्ट प्लैनेट, हमने सैटर्न का भी शॉर्ट नोट कवर कर लिया है. अब हमारा नेक्स्ट प्लैनेट है यूरेनस. चलिए इसका शॉर्ट नोट देखते हैं. यूरेनस इज द फर्स्ट प्लैनेट सो फar away from the Earth that it can only be seen with the use of a telescope. When it was first discovered in 1781, scientists did not know what they had found. As astronomers studied the object more closely, they discovered that it has a circular orbit around the sun. They had found the seventh planet. Uranus is so far from the sun that it takes 84 years to complete an orbit of the sun. It is the only planet that spins on its sides, so each pole is tilted away from the sun for half its orbit. That means each night and day lasts an amazing 42 years. Imagine staying away like the long. Of course, you do also get a lot of time to catch up on your sleep. हमने अब यूरेनस का भी शॉर्ट नोट कर लिया है. अब हम पढ़ेंगे नेपट्यून प्लैनेट का. अब हम शॉर्ट नोट पढ़ेंगे. चलिए देखते. Imagine being so good at maths that you could figure out the location of a planet you had never even seen. That it what John C. Adams did in 1843 when he discovered Neptune. Neptune was named after the Roman god of the sea because it is so far out in the deep sea of space. The name also fits because Neptune appears to be a beautiful bright blue because of the methane clouds that surround it. It is the most distant planet from the Sun. It takes a very long time, 165 years, to orbit the Sun. Neptune has made only one trip around the Sun since it was discovered. इसी के साथ बच्चों, इस वीडियो में हमने आपको सारे प्लैनेट्स का शॉर्ट नोट बताया। मरकरी का, वेन्यूस का, अर्थ का, मार्स का, जुपिटर का, सैटर्न का, यूरेनस का और नेपट्यून का, ये सारे प्लैनेट के हमने आपको शॉर्ट नोट बताया। अगर आपको अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और भी ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो देखने के लिए। और आपके हमने 6th क्लास की भी साइंस की वीडियो डाली है, अगर आप 6th क्लास से हैं तो आप उसे ज़रूर देखिएगा और इसके साथ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए। ओके, थैंक यू।